for us, this is everything. I admit, you could look around this room and just see a bunch of old junk. But let me be clear on that. Some of this is new junk too. I see you met everyone, excellent. You can all call me Jumpin. And we here, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. As the Gatherers, we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find out there we bring here. So where a stormtrooper will only see worthless clutter, those who know, they see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the only way for all of us to ensure our future. Now, do all of you know the legend of Luke Skywalker?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Excellent. Well, we hear that there's another. There is a new Jedi. What's her name?
Ray.
Ray is going too. Ray, and what Ray is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that's where all of you come in to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by our greatest of heroes and darkest of enemies. It is elegant. It is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, all of you are going to feel that connection. So, enough talk, let's begin. And we begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. The crystal is able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say that the crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of the blade. Colors like blue. The blue kyber crystal has been wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. This one is rare, beautiful, just like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. Red is said to be the color of power. It's been wielded by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are all just stories of the past. We are here for all of you, our future. Now is the time for all of you to select your own kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, please close your eyes. Now in your mind, picture your kyber crystal. What color is calling out to you? And remember, it is equally as likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now open your eyes and select your kyber crystal. And once you've selected your crystal, you will place it right here on the green crystal plate on all of your stations.
You're good.
Excellent. Everyone has selected their own kyber crystal, which means we can join it with the saber design components that all of you have selected. We move on to the hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. The hilt is your center of control. The hilt is also the part that will keep your hands from being disintegrated. Now the gatherers are placing your saber pits on your station. Inside, you are going to find everything that you will need. Inside, you will find such things as your chassis, grips, emitters, pommel caps, and activation plates. Now, remember that building your lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as all of you have selected your own kyber crystal, all of you will now build your own unique lightsaber. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. We are happy to help. Now, Let's build.
Right, so
Beautiful. Look at this. Check out that Rancor too. What do you think about that? You like that?
I see that.
Want to touch it? How's it feel? Feels good. It's kind of cool, right? Everything. Yeah, but it's good. Rancors are huge creatures.
That one's another.
There's big old teeth. Excellent work, everyone. All of you have completed your hills. And now it is time for us to move on to the most dangerous stage of the process. Everyone, please take a big step back from your stations. We will now stabilize the crystals for activation. The gatherers are taking your hilts and placing them into the crystal stabilization chamber. The reason I say this is dangerous is because there are many things that could go wrong. For example, the emitter matrix could be inverted, which would cause it to explode in on itself. As you can see, we've had a few other problems here in the past. What's happening?
With many work you began. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. In just a moment, all of you are going to step forward. You will place your hand on your hilt and on my signal. All of us will activate together. Builders, it is time to forge that bond. Step forward. Place your hand on your hilt
right here.
and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have all built your lightsabers. Like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Now, in your hands, all of you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So as you depart, the gatherers will present to you a saber sheath to protect your lightsaber. Now, our time here has come to an end, but all of your journeys, they are just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy, and remember that you are all as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built here today. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want, check out one of these suggested videos, or check out our Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Links are in the description. If you really enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. It would help out a lot.